So today we're going to get to part 2 of the Trailblazer. I don't know if you can see that. Yesterday, basically what I did was I sanded down all the rust in the front and then on the passenger side or the front of the car. So that's all good. I sprayed some of the rust removal shit on there because they wanted to wait 24 hours for a heavy coat and 3 hours for like a thin coat, I guess. So sprayed that on yesterday, so when I get back out there I can just paint over it. I only did that on the passenger side wheel in that area over there. So I still gotta remove the front left wheel today. I gotta go fill up the front passenger wheel first before I put that back on because it was empty almost. The tires are brand new, they only got 100 miles on them. Fill that up, put it back on, remove the driver's side wheel this time. And there's a lot more on that side, but I'm trying to clean out the engine bay too because there's a lot of rust by the strut bound points and shit like that, and by the power steering lines. Got some of that removed. There's only a few spots left in the engine bay, but for 6 hours I was out there yesterday. I probably spent 30 minutes on the passenger side frame, and the rest was just removing shit and doing it under the engine bay. And today we're going to paint that all up. And I'm hoping after I paint that and let that dry, start on the driver's side, remove the wheel, and then start doing the underbody and then move back towards the drive shaft. I don't have enough paint for the drive shaft yet. I'm going to have to go buy some, but that's the plan. It's probably going to be a 3-4 video, but I'm not sure about that. I had a lot more footage yesterday, but I don't know why the camera on my phone is fucked up and like it deleted like 7 clips automatically, so that's why the video was only 2 minutes long. It's my bad. I'm gonna make sure when I film something today it stays on my phone so I can set it up and edit the video so you guys got a full video. But let's get out there and look what I did. This is the mess from yesterday. This piece was broken. This shit's too expensive, so I glued this shit back together, taped it up. Should be dry soon. By the time I'm done today, I'm going to be wet sanding under the hood and then painting it. And then once that's all done, I'll move to the underside of the car and the driver's side. Alright, so I finished with sanding. That shit only took like 15 minutes. I only did it under the hood. While I'm letting that shit dry, I air dried it myself. I mean, I dried it off myself. I'm letting the rest air dry. I'm doing that and letting the hood release air dry too because I did that. I'm gonna head over here, start painting this shit. I'm gonna start clearing shit out the way. Come back to it in a minute. Alright, so I'm 1 coat in. Wind is blowing mad, so close this garage door and let that dry between coats and shit. So just be ready soon, and this is just about ready to start taping shit down. Let's get to it. Coat 2. Had a little fuck up on the battery support, but I don't give a fuck about that right now. Letting this air dry some more. I'm gonna get down to here to take this shit off, so I'm gonna start painting right there and shit. So let's get it. So yeah, guys, after the first coat. Alright, so we got coat 1 on. I laid it heavy in a few areas, of course, but there's some water drops. But I'm not really concerned about how it looks under here as long as it's protected. And this will get. I'm gonna redo this one when I get the upper ball joint. So when that's off, I'll do a better job on that. I haven't touched up here yet, but I'm gonna get to it right now. Alright, so first coat's done. This shit's actually looking hella better than it did before, even with the painted over rust, because I bought it from the person, and all they did was paint over the rust, and that shit really pissed me off. But I'm taking care of this problem right now. This is the first coat. I'm gonna get back to you guys when I'm done with all the coats, and we're probably gonna end this video there. I'm not doing the rest of the underframe today. That's gonna be in part 3. Probably tomorrow, the next day, we'll see. Yeah, so let's get to it. smoke spray. I'm not worried about that though. My concern is removing the rust, protecting it from further rust. Still got ways to go. But we'll get there. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. I'm gonna end it right here. I'm fucking shot, and I gotta let that paint dry before I start buttoning up shit together. And yeah, I wanted to cure fully this time because I don't want any dents or anything like that in it. Yeah, I'm fucking shot anyway because I went hard as fuck yesterday. Dude, I was up since like 3 a.m. and outside for a while. Got sunburned and shit non-stop until like 9 o'clock at night. So pretty shot today. I'm gonna let that shit dry up, and then tomorrow in part 3 I'm gonna button it back together and we'll get working on the rest of the frame. Gotta get more paint anyway, so